Imagine a world without calendars, to-do lists, or even a simple notepad. Chaos, right? In today's fast-paced world, productivity is key. We're juggling multiple tasks, deadlines, and projects simultaneously. It's easy to get overwhelmed and lose track of what needs to be done. That's where Asana comes in. What is Asana? Asana is a powerful project management tool designed to help individuals and teams stay organized and efficient. It's like a digital workspace where you can plan, organize, and track your work in one place. Key features of Asana: task management. Create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and track their progress. Project management. Organize tasks into projects, set goals, and monitor team performance. Collaboration. Work together with colleagues in real time, share files, and communicate effectively. Automation. Use automation features to streamline repetitive tasks and save time. Integration. Connect Asana to other tools you use, like Google Calendar, Slack, and Dropbox. Why do we need Asana? Increased productivity. Asana helps you stay focused on what's important and avoid distractions. Improved collaboration. By working together in Asana, teams can communicate more effectively and achieve their goals faster. Better organization. Asana provides a clear overview of your work, making it easier to stay on top of deadlines and priorities. Enhanced accountability. Asana makes it easy to track progress and hold team members accountable for their tasks. Reduce stress. Knowing that your work is organized and under control can help reduce stress and anxiety. Real-world examples. Small business. A small business owner can use Asana to manage their team's workload, track client projects, and ensure timely delivery of services. Freelancer. A freelancer can use Asana to organize their freelance gigs, track their income and expenses, and communicate with clients. Student. A student can use Asana to manage their coursework, assignments, and exams, and stay on top of their academic commitments. Tips for using Asana effectively. Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Start by organizing a few projects and gradually add more as you become comfortable with the tool. Customize your workspace. Asana is highly customizable, so take the time to set up your workspace in a way that works best for you. Use automation. Leverage Asana's automation features to save time and reduce manual work. Utilize integrations. Connect Asana to other tools you use to streamline your workflow. Stay organized. Regularly review your tasks and projects to ensure that everything is on track. Asana is a powerful tool that can help you stay organized, productive, and efficient. Whether you're working alone or as part of a team, Asana can help you achieve your goals and reduce stress. So why wait? Give Asana a try today and see how it can transform your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.